Hello, I am Prajakta Gavai. Let's start economic importance of bird. Beneficial bird for amusement. Millions of hunters all over the world find great recreation in hunting game bird. Duck, quails, herons have been sought as game in Europe for centuries. Many birds produce beautiful songs we all love to hear. Many of them have been domesticated for their ability as singers, a conspicuous example being canary. For centuries, man has kept parrots, myna, parakeet, and several other birds as pets in cages and aviaries for their plumage and their ability to repeat human words. Peacock, pigeon, cock, and partridges have been tamed for play. Certain birds, parrot, bulbul, etc., are trained to perform strange feats in public and earn money for the juggler.